Corinne, what sound does a cow make?
Moo.
Moo. What sound does a dog make?
Moo.
No, a dog says woof woof. Say woof woof.
Moo.
Woof woof. Yeah. What sound does a duck make? What sound does a duck make?
Moo.
A duck.
Gaga.
Quack, quack. What sound does a bird make? Tweet, tweet. What sound does a frog make? Ribbit. What sound does a horse make? What sound does a horse make? Yeah, it's kind of like that. Neigh. What sound does a sheep make?
Ba.
Baa. What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
Meow. Good job. What sound does a horse make? How about a dog? What sound does a dog make?
No.
No. What sound does a dog make?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Fuck.
What does a frog say? What sound does a dog make? Oscar. What sound does a dog make? You're silly.